So let's proceed. This is the two important of operations. That number one is the decrease a k, decrease the value of a k to any lower value, and number two is delete a node, deletes the given node. So sa decrease k is ito siya yung parang baguhin ang halaga ng isang number sa puno. Halimbawa kung meron tayong isang number na 10, maaari mong gamitin ang decrease k para gawing 5. So sa delete node naman is parang ito yung parang alisin ng isang number mula sa puno. Halimbawa, kung mayroon tayong number na 5, maaari nating gamitin ang delete node para alisin ito sa puno. So next slide is following functions are used for decreasing the k. So ganitong pag-process sa decrease k. So number one is select the node to be decreased x and change its value to the new value k. So piliin ang node na gusto nating bawasan and tawagin natin itong x, and pag gusto nating palitan ang value nito is tawagin natin itong k. So sa number 2 is if the parent of x and y is not null and the k of parent is greater than that all of the k, then call cat x and cascading cat y subsequently. So kung may magulang si x or tawagin nating y at mas malaki ang value ng magulang kumpara sa kay k, tawagin ang cat x at pagkatapos ay cascading cat y. And number 3, if the k of x is smaller than the k of min, then mark x as min. So kung mas maliit daw na ang value ni x kumpara sa kasalukuyang pinakamaliit, gawing min si x. So mas simple, binabawasan mo ang value ng isang node, tapos tinitignan mo kung kailangang ihiwalay siya sa magulang niya at kung siya na ang pinakamaliit na value. So sino nga ba si x? So si x ay ang node na binabawasan mo ng value. So si y naman ang magulang or parent ni x. Kung meron si k ay kung si k naman ay ang bagong value na gusto mong ipalit kay x. So ang x is tinatawag natin node na babawasan ng value. So si y naman is magulang ng x kung may magulang siya. So si k naman is bagong value para kay x. Dito is tinitignan kung mas maliit na ba si x kaysa sa kay y. At kung oo, kailangan ihiwalay si x mula kay y. So next slide. So mayroon tayong ditong isang puno na may mga sanga at dahon. So ang bawat sanga at dahon dito ay may isang number. So ang decrease k ay isang paraan ng pagbabago ng halaga ng isang sanga or root. So sa slide na ito is pinapakita ko is ang sanga na may number 46 ay kailangan bawasan ang halaga nito mula 46 hanggang 15. So babawasan natin si 46 sa 15. Yun nga, decrease 46 to 15. So bawasan natin ang halaga. Ang first step ay baguhin natin ang halaga ng sanga na may number na 46 sa 15. And next slide is add 15 to rootless and mark 24. So this part is cut part since 24 is not nil and 15 its parent, so cut it and add it to the rootless cascading cut part and mark 24. And this part naman is decrease 35 to 5. So KD and cut part naman tayo. So cut 5 and add it to the rootless. So cut part since 24 is not nil also and 5 its parent, so cut it and add it to the rootless. So in this part is cut 26 and add it to the rootless. So cascading part tayo since 26 is marked, the flow gets to cut and cascading cut. So cut 26 and add it to the rootless and mark it as a false. And this slide naman is cut 24 and add it to the rootless. So cascading cut 24. So since the 24 is also marked again, call cat24 and cascading cat7. So this operation result in the tree below. So in this part is mark 5 as a mean kasi siya lang yung pinakamaliit sa lahat ng number. So kanina ang mean natin is 7. So now naging mean C5 kasi siya lang yung pinakamaliit. So this is the final decrease K. So in this part is how to delete a node. So this process make us of decrease K and extract mean operation. So these following steps are followed for delete a node. So number 1, let K be the node to be deleted. So number 2, apply decrease K operations to decrease the value of K to the lowest possible value of negative infinity, or and number 3 is apply extract mean operation to remove this node. So that's all.